commercial generators here. 9 generators on the Arizona side, 17 altogether. And each generator is 70 feet tall. You can only view or see the top 30 feet of that 70-story structure, or excuse me, 7-story. The lower 40 feet is below the floor. We call the shaft gallery. Now at the bottom of the generator steel shaft, connected to it is the Francis-style reaction turbine. The water hits the turbine that spins everything else attached to that steel shaft. The rotor, which sits inside that red drum, and above that, the blue spider housing. Inside there is the exciter. When everything is in operation, the light on top of the generator is lit, indicating it is in operation and is producing power at this time. 130 megawatts of power per generator, and enough power provided for at least 65,000 homes each. That's 2,080 megawatts altogether, enough to provide power for 1.7 million